pictures are everything. That's your first chance to get them to actually want to go see the house. And with the Giraffe, it was affordable, but the quality, I mean, it's amazing. So it's better than some of those $400 photographers that I was using. And also the fact that I didn't have to wait until the photographer had time to go do it. It was on my time. I love the floor plans because when you're putting in a listing into the MLS, you are required to put in the room dimensions. And normally when you would go to a listing appointment, you have to take a tape measure or one of the lasers or something. But with the Giraffe, it's literally all right there. So when you're putting in your listings, you have your photos, you have the virtual tour, have the measurements. It was so seamless. And when I put it into financial sense for myself, if I was spending $100 to $400 on a new listing and I can get a few listings a month and I could pick the plan that worked for me, it was a no-brainer. I kind of keep it a secret actually because it makes my listings look better than everyone else's.
We'll definitely include that.